My name is Vince Mendoza. What I'm showing you today is the Genesys Cloud with ServiceNow integration provided by SoftPhone. As you can see on the screen, I am logged into my ServiceNow account. The only difference you're going to have within this screen and your screen is this phone icon. When I click on that, that's going to expose the Genesys Cloud CTI. With this, agents are going to have the ability to do all the normal functions: place a call, answer a call, do transfers, recording, even do scheduled callbacks. One of the things I want to point out is the ability for agents to change their state and for them to select what device they're going to be accepting calls on. So for now, I'm just going to stick with WebRTC. If I wanted to use my cell phone, my landline, I can select that as well, but let's stick with WebRTC for now. I'm also going to set myself to on queue, so I'll be available to take calls. You'll notice that a little warning message popped up. That's because within my WFM for my org, I have set myself as an agent, but at this time of night, I shouldn't be on call, so we're going to ignore that for now, and I'm going to still keep myself on queue. A couple other things before I place the call. You'll notice that I can view my interaction log for the day, agent performance views, and there's a handful of that: voice, callback, chat, email, or messages that I may have accepted, if that's interaction that you're offering. I might not have anything today, but we'll check. So yeah, I clicked voice here. Nothing answered. I didn't take any calls today, so there won't be any stats. But if on a regular day, regular agent would have some data there. A couple other things is users' inbox will be available through the CTI as well. And that's where they can listen in to voice messages that's left for them. Any evaluations, if you're doing QM, that has been sent to the agents, will be available. And if they want to see their schedule, that's available as well. And as you notice, I am supposed to be only on queue till 5:30. It is now 7:30, and that's why it gave me that warning. So let me just go back to the interactions tab. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and make a call into the IVR. The IVR is going to offer me a couple things, and all of this is customizable. With this particular demo, I'm going to call in. It's going to identify me by my ANI, do a lookup, see if I have any recent incidents. It's going to offer to read that incident out to me. It's or it's going to ask me if I want to enter in a new incident, which is what I'm going to do today. And then the last thing is, if I just want to speak to an agent, then it's going to transfer that off to me. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and place a call and put you on speaker.
Hello, Ethan Hunt. Are you calling about your most recent incident? Incident number 11060. If you would like to hear the status of this incident, please press 1. If you would like to look up a different incident, press 2. Or simply press 3 if you would like to be routed to the next available agent.
I'm going to go ahead and press 2.
Please enter your 5-digit incident number. Your incident status is currently new, with a priority of planning. Is there anything else we can do for you today? If you would like to look up another incident, press 1. Or to speak to an agent, press 2.
So I'm going to go ahead and ask to get routed to an agent. And you'll notice that call being offered to me. I'm going to go ahead and answer that. And as you can see, that incident was popped to me. We have options as well. It does not have to pop the incident. You can also pop a contact. If the caller was not identified and you wanted to pop a new ticket, a new incident, a new case, or even if the caller's been identified but they don't have an incident, then you can pop that as well. So we do have options on what can be presented to the agent, right? So with that, as I mentioned earlier, the ability to place a caller on hold, to mute, to do transfers. One thing I want to point out, if you do decide to do a transfer, we're also going to provide you guys information about that specific queue. I'm going to pull a queue that I have set up, TJ queue, And what's great about this tool, it's also going to give you the health of that queue. So you'll notice that there's nobody currently waiting for any of these interactions that you see here. There's only one agent available, and that's me, but I'm not available. I'm there, but I'm logged in, but I'm not available. And then what the estimated wait time would be as well. So maybe with this, I want to send it to a different queue because I don't want this individual waiting. I can do that as well. And as you can see, the ability to do a blind transfer or a consult. If I wanted to send it to this queue, maybe another agent will pick up, brief them on what's going on, and then transfer them over afterwards. So that's really a simple snapshot demo of what is available. The ability also to provide wrap-up codes, to write notes is available, and any notes that you type in will be transferred over to ServiceNow. You can also do other features and functions as well. If you want to tie the interaction ID or the recording link into ServiceNow, that's an option as well. So speak to your SC about other options that you may want to do. And the last little thing I wanted to touch on before I end this is the ability for scripts to get displayed as well. Scripts is something that we usually only do within Genesys Cloud, but if that's something that you want to present as well, providing more data to the agent, then they can do that. And last and final, if I was as an agent, I didn't want this CTI in front of me, I can hit the X button. Now that's hidden, and I can go ahead and do my work. And if I wanted to show that again or have that pop up, I can go ahead and click the phone icon. It's there available for me as well. I'm going to go ahead and end this call and select a wrap-up code. Let's just select new customer, and I'm done. I'm complete. And as an agent, hide that. I can go ahead and finish off this incident. I hope you saw what you wanted to see regarding the ServiceNow and Genesys Cloud integration. Again, reach out to your solutions consultant if there's any other questions regarding the tool.